SOFI update here on the 29th. So recap, last video I was looking for this box right here. I was looking for 1054. I got that from the 1.61 fib of this move right here. And look how close, we actually hit it. We hit it almost exactly. We hit 1051. So very close to hitting it. And that's where I said the max it could go was 1054 on this move. And so I'm sticking with that. I think that we are starting a C wave down now. And what I look at now is just the length of time. So this took July of 23 all the way to December of 23, so about 5 months. So I'm looking for about 2.5 months of downtrend. I know a lot of people are saying we have earnings. I know we have earnings, but you know this thing's pretty screwed. We beat earnings before we sold off as soon as we beat them. Right now, if we're going to go profitable in February or late January, whenever the earnings are, everyone is thinking we're going to take off. But what if the market's in a downtrend at that point? We've gone straight up for a couple of months. So it's not guaranteed that we're going to take off just because we're profitable. And this is showing that about 2.5 months, that would take us to March 5th. And that would be, my target just based on this would be 640. I know that sounds like a crazy target again, but it doesn't have to go there again. It can go all the way though to, it can go all the way down here to 567. So that is based on the fibs. I'm not saying it's going to go there. I know a lot of people think that I'm saying it's going to go there. That's the maximum it can go. So if we have a crazy sell-off, it can go to 567. It doesn't make any sense with the numbers, but that's what the chart is showing. It can also go to the minimum of, minimum is actually going to be about 775. So I'm guessing anywhere from 775 to 567 on the next dip. And you can see here on standard deviation, 777 is not a crazy number. And actually, we have a demand zone at 810 to 781. So that would be a good spot for us to go right there. If we break that, you can see us go down here to 740 or 710. And then, of course, the craziest prediction, the 567, would be this big demand zone down here. So it is going to be the end of either the B wave or a second wave. And so whenever this is finished, that's going to be the ultimate long spot, because that's going to be the point where you can go to the 1.61 fib, or at least go up here to, let's say we go, let's just measure from here. You're looking probably anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks with a maximum for a C wave at 22 bucks. If this was a 5-wave move, then you're looking even higher than that. You're looking at like 30, 40 bucks. So this is actually pretty bullish. This would be a great time to accumulate more shares. So that's kind of my thoughts on it for the next couple of months. It could be quicker too. That's just an estimation. It could be a quick move down and then we go higher. But overall, I think that we're almost there and we're ready to take off. Don't be surprised if they pull something on us. You get profitable and then they sell it off somehow and have some excuse, you know. But we'll see what happens. I know everyone is going to think that it's going higher from here. And if it does, I'll just say I'm wrong. But that's what the chart's showing. And so that is my projections. Let's look at the weekly moving averages, just see where they're at. So we have the 20 down here at 811. We got the 50 down here at 740. And the 200 is not on there yet for the weekly, I don't think. On the daily chart, so you can see all the moving averages below the 20 are right around that minimum target that I was talking about. So it's not that big of a stretch. You can see where we're at in the Bollinger Band. If we come down here to the bottom of the Bollinger Band, that's $7. So, so yeah, it's not that big of a deal. I would say $7 to $8 is kind of my main target, I would say. Anything below that is going to get kind of crazy and probably not going to happen. So that's pretty much all I got to say for right now. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Do you agree? Do you disagree? What do you think is going to happen from here? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you hit that like button for more updates and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next video.